variables and constants, two of the most important building blocks in algebra. This glowing red sphere represents our variable, x. Its position on the axis shows its current value. Watch closely as x slides from 3 down to -2. The sphere moves because a variable's value can change. Now look at these blue cubes. They represent our constant. Circa right now there are 2 of them. We can set the constant to a new fixed value. Watch the cubes grow from 2 up to 6. Now let's combine both into an expression, 2 times x plus 3. This is our first expression, shown as a green graph line. The yellow point on the line shows the expression's value at the current x. Right now, with x equal to 3, the value is 9. Let's slide x again and watch the yellow point travel along the straight green line. Expressions don't have to be straight lines. Let's switch to a quadratic expression, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Every expression, whether a line or a curve, works the same way. Plug in x, and the constants combine with it to give one value. Let's go back to our simple linear expression and set x to 3, so we can build a full equation. When we write 2x plus 3 equals 9, that's an equation. It says the expression's value must equal exactly 9. Understanding variables and constants is the first step towards solving equations, something we'll explore in future lessons. Congratulations! You now understand the difference between variables and constants, and how they build expressions and equations.